Such a big box for such a small bag, I feel like.
Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Hello my darlings, it's Dion Dean. Welcome back to another video. I am back from Toronto. Let me tell you something. I forgot about spring and pollen, and that pollen got me in Toronto, so I am extremely hoarse. I'm extremely sneezy. Riley had the stomach flu yesterday. Maverick has kennel cough from being at the borders. We are all coming off of this vacation with something. But that being said, I did order a little something from TheRealReal, and I wanted to use this opportunity to speak to you guys. Those of you who are resellers who do find luxury pieces in the thrift stores, I wanted to use this as a teaching opportunity to give you insight on how I use TheRealReal. If you're new to this channel, I am a thrifter, I am a shopper, I am a beauty lover, but I am also a fashion reseller / online retailer. And one of the things that I like to do is when I do find luxury pieces, I send it off to TheRealReal. It's my own little luxury bank account. And whenever I see something like my Givenchy Antigonas, my Saint Laurent shoes, I bought a bunch of stuff. I'll leave a few links. What I like to do is when I see items and I don't necessarily want to spend my own money, I would go ahead and use items that I have sold from TheRealReal. Instead of cashing out, I would use that and purchase it on TheRealReal. Does that make sense? I'm looking at like my Christian Dior slides. Like these are all from TheRealReal and using money that I've earned on TheRealReal. So listen, this Saint Laurent Rive Gauche black on black bag, I am saving for it because I want to take it to Portugal in September. But I keep on saving money on TheRealReal or leaving money in TheRealReal and spending it. And so I did it again. I had money in TheRealReal, but I saw this bag and I was like, this will be such a great summer bag for like a denim on denim look. So let's go ahead and open it. And this is such a big box for such a small bag, I feel like. But was it really small? That's what I need to figure out. Like I thought it was a small bag. So I had about $200 saved in TheRealReal, and this bag was $420. Oh no, it's a big bag, but it's a flat bag. And I saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, I need this bag. And I haven't been doing a lot of logo on logo, but something about this bag, I just really saw it with like some denim cutoff shorts, which you guys know that I live in, and a denim shirt. Can you see through the bag what it is? You kind of, right? All right, guys, are we ready for the unboxing, for the unveiling? Are we ready? Hold on. Ain't she cute? Ain't she cute? I saw her on the picture, like, you know, they have a picture of the bag and then they have a picture of the person holding the bag. And I promise you, I saw myself holding this bag, walking through somebody's farmer's market, somebody's flea market. I do have a bag that's similar that is, let me show it to you. Because I think that's where, in my lives, I've been talking about going to the farmer's market with this type of bag. Let me get the bag, hold on. Okay, so if you've been a part of my lives, you've seen this bag. This was from a haul that I did right before I went to Toronto. So I've been talking about this bag and talking about it and talking about it and talking about it to the point where I might as well just keep it because it hasn't sold yet. So if it hasn't sold, that means it might be mine. But this is available on Posh. But I've been speaking about this bag and taking this bag to farmers markets and so on and so forth. And I actually kind of think with a white top and denim shorts, you know what? Yeah, so that's why I guess my eye was attuned to this. Like, you really have to be careful what you let in your eye gate, people, because I saw this and I was like, whew, that'd be a good farmer's market piece. Anyway, it's not as wide as that one, so let me show you the inside. It has TheRealReal. I've never seen one of these before, but it has one of these, and it has the thingamajiggy on the bag, the barcode, and then on the interior, let me show you that. It has that on the inside. Let me show you the corners. And I actually really love I don't like things that are too like pristine because then I don't feel like wearing it. You know what I mean? But anyway, so this is the bag that I received from TheRealReal. So now that I've shown you what I've received, let me show you what I am sending, because one of the things I don't want to tell, let me put that right there. One of the things that I don't want to do is hoard stuff. So there are pieces that I have thrifted over the past couple of weeks that I'm going to be sending to TheRealReal. Excuse me. So since they have sent me this beautiful box, I'm going to go ahead and send them some pieces. Why don't I have the pieces ready for you? They were actually sitting under clothes. All right. So I tend to send pieces that I don't think I'm going to get as much money for on Posh as on TheRealReal. I also take pieces that have just been sitting on Posh, and I'm like, you know what, let me just send it to TheRealReal. Even if I get like $5, $10, it's something that's going to go towards my luxury kitty piggy bank, right? So this is a dress. This is a size 2, Diane von Furstenberg. And let me say that there are some brands that they no longer take. But what I do, I just send it all. And if they're not going to take it, they'll just send it back. So tip number 1, definitely go through your inventory. And, you know, you typically, if you doubt, don't. If I doubt, I send it anyway, because they're going to mail it back. And a lot of times, depending on the economy, there are things that they will take now that they wouldn't take then. Like I know during the pandemic, they were getting so many items that they actually refused a lot. I don't know if that's the case now, because I'm not sending as much as I used to when I was full-time reselling, now that I have Dion Dean Creative and all the things that I'm doing. So that being said, Diane von Furstenberg, and this is the old label. It has Diane von Furstenberg has a new label right now, but I'm going to send it. It is a size 2 bodycon Ponte in the back. I'm going to send that, and you know what? If they don't take it, then they'll send it back, but I'm pretty sure that they'll take it, because it's very like Dolce & Gabbana-esque. The second piece that I'm going to take, and I actually do need to go through my storage unit, because I feel like I have some blazers that need to go as well. And then also, this is a side note, just looking through my pieces, stuff that I don't wear. Of course, you guys know that I sold all of my Alexander Wang Rocco bags. I sent because they just held too many memories for me. But anyway, from the pieces that I've thrifted. So I got this bag a few weeks ago. You guys remember it. And a few of you let me know that this was Cartier. And so I went on Posh and I saw some of the bags and what they were selling for. And I was like, you know what? This would be one of those bags that would be great for TheRealReal. TheRealReal, they have a few of these Cartier bags and they're selling for like 400, 500 bucks. You know, I think I'm going to put it in my kitty fund, my RealReal fund. So this is going to go to TheRealReal. And also they authenticate it, right? And so and then they'll clean it up. So if it's not what they want, then again, they're going to send it back. So like, I'm not pressed. These, I'm actually kind of surprised that they didn't sell. And I actually have a pair of Dior that I need to send too. You know, South Florida, we get a lot of vintage, a lot of good vintage. And so these are a pair of Saint Laurent Paris. I don't even think I put these in a video. I think I put it right up onto Posh and put it on the Dion Dean's Closet Instagram account. But these are a size 7 medium. But again, I feel like this is something that somebody on TheRealReal will find and love. And again, I'm not pressed. I would rather have it go to my bag fund, because I do want the black on black leather Rive Gauche bag. I'm itching for it. So these are Christian Lacroix. I don't know if TheRealReal is going to take this, but I'm going to send it, because you have to really know and be in love with like 90s designer, you know what I mean? To understand. If you guys watch Absolutely Fabulous, remember she loves Christian Lacroix. You have to really know your stuff. So I'm gonna send these, and yeah, if they go, they go. If they don't, they don't. These I was gonna send to TheRealReal, but I don't think they need to go to TheRealReal. I think I just need to put them up on Posh. These are some vintage, beautiful vintage sandals, but they were in the bag. So these probably won't go to Posh. I've never heard of this brand, so I'm not even going to chance it. But yeah, so tip number 1, to recap, I know this isn't really like a tips video, but tip number 1 would be, if you doubt, send it anyway, because if they don't want it, they're going to send it back. Tip number 2 would be, go through your closet and see if there's anything worth sending. Some of you may have some like contemporary brands that they do take. I know that they used to take Theory, some of the jeans, Frame, Mother. I actually have some Frame jeans I should send. Frame, Mother, A Gold. Some of those denim brands that as resellers were gold for us. I don't know if they're gold. Like, I'm going to send the frame ones. I don't know if it's necessarily gold for them anymore, but why not? Like, just send it. And then the third thing is, if you have a love for luxury, then definitely this is again, you guys have been with me. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. You've been with me. You've seen what I buy with the money that I've earned on The Real Real. Go ahead and chance it. Like, go out there, do your research, right? And start researching some of these brands. And if you come upon them on in the thrift stores, then go ahead and send it. It's not going to hurt. And you'll be able to invest. I hate to say the word invest because it's just a bag. But you'll be able to purchase a bag that you will enjoy, is what I'm going to say. A luxury purchase that you enjoy that you may not have gotten otherwise. So I have another video coming up because I'm all dressed up. So why not? But I want to do a video on a few pieces that I have gotten for spring, summer. I have not been doing a lot of shopping spring, summer because I am preparing to go to England for the summer. But there are some pieces that I have gotten, some one-offs that I want to share with you. So that will be coming up next. Love you guys so much, and I will see you on the next video. Mwah. Bye.
I never ran, said no, man, I still go, go, go.